How to add friends on Discord Mobile. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can add friends on Discord Mobile. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, straight into it. So first, open up the Discord app. Then next, click on the second tab along the bottom, so the icon of the person waving. Now once you're here, you can either click on the plus button in the top right hand corner of the screen, or click on the blue button in the middle that says add friend. So next, once you're here, you need to type in the username of the person that you'd like to add. So I'm gonna just type in my own username. And make sure you type the name carefully because you must get it exactly right, including capital letters. So after you've put in their username, you then need to add their tag. So my tag is 1108. And after you've finished typing the username and tag, click on the button that says send friend request. As you can see, I've been given an error message saying that it didn't work because I'm sending it to myself. But of course, if I was sending this to somebody else, I wouldn't be getting that error message. And that's all it takes to add friends on Discord Mobile. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.